finna tell y'all how this breakfast is finna be. Oh, oh my goodness. Hold on one. Yes. Listen. Them crunchy ends is everything, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. So good. Y'all, I wanted to show y'all something I ordered. I'm hoping it's good. I am definitely gonna try this. Let's open it. Okay. Look, y'all. Let me take this off. This, I don't know what that is. And the charger. What is this? We're gonna figure this out, y'all. How about y'all? I am back home from work. I am here taking my Easter stuff down. So, I want to show you what I got from the pantry. So I got 6 boxes of mac and cheese. 4 of them got bacon in it. 2 jars of peanut butter, 2 packs of veggie soup. I got a can of peeled whole tomatoes, 4 peaches, 3 pears, 4 beets in the can. Spinach, I've got, how many? 5. Corn, 2. Oh, pears, I got 5. Carrots, 4 cans of carrots. I got a bag of pinto beans, variety oatmeal, elbow noodles, 2 boxes of cornflakes. Then they gave me 2 bags of white cheddar, a bag of frozen strawberries, 3 pizzas, pepperoni, a thing of cheese, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 raisins, 2 bags of Omega rice, long grain, and 1 thing of dried tart cherries. This is all what I got from the pantry. I've taken my Easter stuff down, and I got room to put all my other stuff up. So I'm about to put my things up in the pantry. I got my island back looking good. I'm just about to make me something to eat because I'm starving. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Hit that notification. So I think next month, maybe the end of April, I will be doing my little backyard series. I'm getting a tent. And I need cushions, like I said, a tent, cushions, some pillows, and everything else. I got lights, my furniture, tables. I might do a small garden in my raised garden bed, just for some tomatoes and squash, cucumbers, and strawberries. That is it. Thanks for watching, and like I said, hit that like and subscribe. I would appreciate it.